We got breaking news. Millions of Americans are saying they're not going to file their taxes this year because they don't agree with this administration. And although you won't go to jail for not filing your taxes unless you commit fraud or tax evasion, there are some penalties you're going to have to pay for to Uncle Sam. For starters, you have to understand that legally not everyone has to pay their taxes. If you have any of these filing statuses and you make any of these amounts or lower, then you do not legally have to file taxes. If your parents claim you as a dependent and you make below a certain amount of money, or if you're on Social Security and you make below a certain amount of money, you also don't need to pay taxes. With that said though, if you don't file your taxes, you will have to pay the IRS about 0.5% interest on what you owe per month. After that, there's going to be some liens and levies, and the IRS will start to garnish your wages. If you still decide to not pay your taxes, the IRS will freeze your bank accounts. They will seize your assets in some extreme cases, and essentially they'll put a lot of financial pressure on you. With that said though, the IRS is not going to put you in jail unless you purposefully try to manipulate your income in their eyes, or if you intentionally try to cheat. With that said, if you work with a tax strategist like myself, the chances of you paying a lot of taxes are pretty slim. So comment the word tax refund and I'll add you to my wait list.